Hello, everybody. We're on the GitHub page for Microsoft PowerToys. Now, let me backstep here a little bit. Microsoft PowerToys, what are they? They are a set of utilities. They're designed for users that like to streamline and customize their Windows experience. A great catchphrase for greater productivity, and they do have a lot of good tools here. Uh, PowerToys has been around since Windows 95 and XP. It disappeared for a little bit. It came back with Windows 10, and with Windows 11 it became open source. There are a bunch of key features. It's like a few of them that I like, or at least that caught my attention, are Awake, Color Picker, Command Not Found, Command Palette, Crop and Lock, File Locksmith, Host File Editors. You get the general idea. It's got a bunch of things there that we can get into. Now, I tried using the WinGet script for command prompt and Windows PowerShell. Now, it might be that I don't have a more recent enough version for the script to work. I'm not gonna go crazy right now. I ended up getting this, but nothing else happened. As a matter of fact, if I take a look over here, I'm pretty sure I don't have any new installations. Pretty clean here. Now, this I tried downloading when I went to the Microsoft page to download it, and this is an installer that's going to take me directly to the Microsoft Store. I don't want to do it that way. So that brings me back to good old GitHub here. And I just finished downloading this x64 per user version here for the setup. It's basic exe, and I have it right here. So with no further ado, I am going to double click, or in this case, run it as administrator, and let's see what happens. Come on. There you are. Minimize that. Okay, MIT license. Of course we're going to agree to that, and we will install. Oh, the excitement. Almost there. Okay, it went through there. Now, let's close this and see what happens. Okay, PowerToys, always on top. We detected an application running with administrative privileges. This will prevent certain interactions with these other applications. Okay, don't show that again for now. And now we have our welcome page here. And here we go. It gives us some information. Let's drag this all the way to the top. See if it gives up. I guess it won't get any bigger than that. Diagnostic data. No, I don't want to do that right now. We have different features. Advanced paste. And see, it will basically give you different ways of pasting things over. Gives you the hotkeys on how to use it. We have always on top, which, from what I understand, you can actually pin something so that way it'll always be on the forefront, which can be very useful. Awake is something that I'm definitely interested in because there are times I want to run a project and I need a system that will not go to sleep on me or cut out or shut down. And I'm just going to jump here. We have the command palette and not found, which is PowerShell. Drop and lock. Fancy zones. Got a bunch of templates here. And I like this little video clip that basically shows us what we're dealing with here. We have file locksmith, and host file editor, because there are days we just want to get into that host file and make some changes. Uh, New plus, create new folders, personalized templates. Sounds interesting. We got peak, power rename, PowerToys run, quick accent. Oh, that's pretty cool. Screen ruler, text extractor, which uses OCR. So this looks really cool. I can definitely put that to use. Workspaces. I'm not exactly sure how clear it is for anybody else who's actually reading this video, but Workspaces is a utility that enables you to launch a set of applications to a custom layout configuration all at once. And it gives you the keyboard shortcuts here. So there's a bunch of things here. I don't want to bore you. Have some fun. Enjoy.